Here is this trending app called Liftcart. It's been trending in health and fitness category. I'm just curious to find out what it is. So you can just open it up, and this is basically your gym buddy in your pocket, where you create an account with your email and password, and then you can see your gym partners here. You can edit your profile, add profile picture, add your username, add your bio. And then you can just create it for have your workout log, and then just add some exercises like weight, reps, notes, or delete that. Then you can also set some personal records. Then you can also explore it. So the idea is that this app is basically like a social media, ultimate social media iOS app designed exclusively for fitness enthusiasts. Socialize and meet other people in the gym community, foster and support a fitness network, write and display your workout, sharing your exercise routine and inspiring others, track your progress through the comprehensive workout logs, staying motivated and focused on your fitness goals, and then showcase your personalized workout splits, highlight your personal records. All your fitness information is consolidated on a digital card, creating a unique interactive profile. So that's basically how it works. Your gym buddy in your pocket. So it's quite motivating, and then you can just hang out with other people. However, seems this app is only working in US, and if I try to open it up in Europe, it just doesn't work yet. So that's kind of a bit weird. Doesn't have that many reviews yet, but the average rating is quite cool. People say so. It's a good idea, especially keeping your friends in check and making them go to the gym. However, there are many areas so yeah, seems it's a good idea, and it's getting viral on TikTok. People are sharing their Lift cards, but yeah, seems there are still some kind of flaws or some bugs. That's that. But try it out.